Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. In this one we are going to see how to use perspective grid tool. So we all have stumbled upon this grid but have rarely used it. Here's one way you can use it for your text effect or typography. Type your text, choose your font, select the text and create outlines. Ungroup them and decide how many text or letters you want on your right and left side of the grid. Group these. Now choose Perspective Grid tool from the toolbar. On your left top corner you can see a cube which has 3 sides. So before placing your text on the grid, you have to choose the side of the cube you want your text on. Select Perspective Grid tool and select your text and drag it down the grid. Select the other text and change the side of the cube. Zoom in and match the corner of the fonts. Now your perspective text is done and let's add some color to it. Make a copy of the above text. So go to gradients and change the color. I'm here going with pink and orange. Do the same for the other text. Just pick the color from the high and drag the gradient like this. Now come back to the black text we made earlier. Change the stroke fill. Group these and drag it on the colored text. So let's add one more step to it. Write the same text again and place it at the bottom of your main text. Select this and go to Object, Blend and Blend Options. Select Specified Steps and change it to 1000. Also, you can change the color of your small text. Select both the highs and then go to Object, Blend and Make. Do the same for this too. Now I'm gonna adjust the outline a bit. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.